So cross references are references of items that we are using in the text. So for example, we have a figure here that we want to reference inside the text. So this is figure number 1.1. So maybe so when we want to do that, we have to go to references. Go to references. In references, there is this option of cross reference. Click on this. When we click on this, then it will show us all the things that we can reference. So we can reference the headings, we can reference equations or endnote or table. So we want to reference this figure. So then we have the option of whether we want to put the entire caption, that is figure 1.1, 1 semicolon 1, and then the caption, or we just want the label and number. That means figure number 1.1. So for this video, we'll insert the entire thing. So we'll click on insert and close this. So now you can see it is the entire figure has come here. If we click on this, this will take us to the referenced figure. How is this useful is if we make some changes, for example, if this figure, uh, let us just cut it and we can paste this figure before this one. So this is figure 1.2 and we have cited 1.1, but now this becomes figure number 1. So now what will happen is if we update this, if we click on the figure number and click on update field, now you see this becomes 1.1, was going to be the first figure now. But here we have side, here it is showing figure number 1. So when we'll update the field, now you see this is showing figure 1.2. And here also it shows figure number 2. Also, you can update the entire document by pressing Control A and then pressing F9. You close the document and open it again, or maybe when you edit the document, this is going to show an error. To remove this error, you just have to go click on it and click on update field. Again, this is once you do that, this will be the field will be updated if the figure is there and it is linked. It has been cross-referenced properly. This is going to update itself.